All right. Niyugyugan Festival is a celebration not only of the agricultural produce, but also of the diverse culture and tradition of Quezon Province. What activity will you suggest to further promote Quezon's culture and the arts through Niyugyugan Festival? In Tagalog, ang Niyugyugan Festival ay selebrasyon hindi lamang ng yaman sa agrikultura, kundi maging sa napakaraming kultura at tradisyon sa ating lalawigan. Anong gawain ang maaari mong idagdag sa pagdiriwang na ito upang mas mapalawak ang pagpapakilala ng kultura at sining ng ating lalawigan sa pamamagitan ng Niyugyugan Festival?
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ipopromote ko ang ating slogan na Tara na sa Quezon. Dahil Tara na sa Quezon is not just a slogan for me, but an invitation to explore Quezon's diversity. In relation to Thousand Colors of Quezon, it refers to stunning landscapes, rich cultures, delicious cuisines, and at the same time, warm hospitality. That Quezon Province is a destination worth visiting. And I have this idea in my head to uplift and elevate Quezon to the world. Because I believe we are not just first class. We are world class. And I want to influence many people. And for someone to be influential, we must embody the core values that align with this celebration. And that is dedication, resilience, and community spirit. And as an aspiring Ginoong Niyugyugan, I aim to use this platform to inspire others, mostly the youth, to engage more deeply in our cultural practices and contribute positively to our society. Thank you.